Hey Rohit, how are you? Hey Mitu, how are you? Hey Sunny, how are you? Hey Sobik, how are you? Hey, stop saying how are you. It's so boring to listen. There are 10 ways to say the how are you. Why are you using several times? How are you? How are you? Hello everyone, welcome back to another incredible lesson. So in this video, I'll share you the 10 ways to say the how are you and also the particular answer, the particular question. At the end of this video, I'll share you a secret tips which will help you to give the answer for a particular question. Okay, so then you have to watch this video completely. Okay, let's get going. Number one, how are you doing? I'm doing great, I'm doing well, or I'm doing fine. Number two, how is it going? It's going good, it's going fine, it's going all right. Number three, hey buddy, how are things? They are good, they are fine, they are great. Number four, how have you been? I have been good, I have been well, I have been fine, I have been great. Number five, how's your life? It's all good. It's all right. It's all fine. Number six, hey buddy, what's up? In this particular question, you can give the answer different ways. Like, suppose you are doing something. In this case, you can say, I'm just reading a book or I'm having my dinner. In case there is nothing literally happening around you, in this case, you can say nothing special or nothing important or nothing much. Number seven, what's new? So you can say I have started a new job or I have started a business. If there is nothing happened around you, then you can say nothing special. Number eight, what's going on? The same answer you can say I have started a new business or I have started a new job. If there is nothing happening around you, then you can say nothing special or nothing important or nothing much. Number nine, what are you up to? You can say I am doing a job or I am studying, or if there is nothing to say, you can say nothing special. Okay. Number 10, what have you been up to? You can say I'm going to market or I'm reading a book, or you can say nothing special. Okay, these are the 10 question and answer. So now I'll share you the secret tips. Okay, so secret tips is that, so you have to observe if the question start from how, so then you have to give answer with the adjective. Okay, if the question is start from what, then you have to give the answer with the action. Okay, like how are you? Yeah, how are you? The question start from the how, that is why you have to give the answer that I'm fine, I'm great, I'm all right. Okay, so all right, great, fine, these are the adjective. Okay, and another one, what's up? Here question start from the what, so you have to give the answer with the action. Mean I'm doing a work, or I am having my lunch, or I am having my dinner, or I am reading a book. Okay, so this is how you have to give the answer for a particular. So let's finish now. So if you like this video, then you can like and subscribe. Okay, so bye.